Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into the one of the most underutilized yet powerful trick in Excel. Reordering all your columns at lightning speed. And no, I am not talking about the dragging and dropping one by one. This will mess up the whole data. This advanced technique will completely transform the way you use Excel. Whether you are handling a large data sheet, setting up a project tracker, or just fed up with a messy spreadsheet. Are you ready to become a master in column controlling? Let's start. Here I have a sample data. In this I have to reorder all the columns as per the management standard. For example, the employee ID should appear in the first column, followed by the full name in the second, the designation in the third, and the salary in the final. Here is the advanced trick to rearrange it. Like I said, this must happen first, the second, third, and fourth. Put a number in this way, above each column, and select full data, then hit Alt SS. This is short key to open sort tab pop-up, and also you can add it from the ribbon. Now go to options and select the sort left to right, then click OK. On which row according we are doing. Choose row 1 and arrange it from the smallest to largest, then click OK. And just like that, all three columns are neatly grouped by your desired location. Your data won't get impacted if you remove the numbers above the column. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more advanced Excel hacks. And hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.